Hi! Welcome students to our English class online. I am your teacher, Airene. Yay! Nice to see you again. Okay, so last week we studied about the daily routine. Okay, daily routine. Okay, let's review our past lessons. Okay, number one, wake up. Okay, you can read by yourself there. Take a shower. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Comb your hair. Get dressed. Make your bed. Put on makeup. Have breakfast. Go to school. Okay? 11. Drive to work. Work. Study. Have lunch. Leave school. Wash your hands. Get home. Get home. Take a nap. Have a snack. Do homework. The same. Have a snack. Play computer games. Read a book. Play with peers. Ride a bike. Go shopping. Listen to music. Exercise. Mop the floor. Vacuum. Okay? So, very good, kids. Now, let's see if you can answer. I'll show you the picture. Tell me what is it. Okay, number one. Yes, comb your hair. Number two, wake up. Yeah. Number three, take a shower. Number four, wash your face. That's right. Now, next, brush your teeth. Next, get dressed. Yeah, you're right. How about this one? Make your bed. Put on makeup. Wow, you're great. Very good. How about this? Have breakfast. Yes, have breakfast. And how about this one? Go to school. Yes. Drive to work. How about this? Work. Yes. Okay. How about this one? Study. Have lunch. Yes. How about this? Leave school. And this one is wash your hands. Go home. Yes. Take a nap. How about this? Have a snack. How about this one? Do homework. Yes. Play computer games. This one, read a book. Read a book. Play with peers. Okay, play with peers. Ride a bike. Wow. How about this picture? Go shopping. Yeah. Listen to music. The next picture is exercise. Very good. Mop the floor. Okay, next is vacuum. Okay. Wow, congratulations. Okay, so today we're going to study about weather. Can you say it again? Weather. Okay, so let's see this video. I want you to listen to this video, okay? Look.
English sing. Weather.
Weather.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. You can repeat. Cloudy.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
Cold.
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 It's cold.
It's cold.
Foggy.
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 It's foggy.
It's foggy.
Hot.
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 It's hot.
It's hot.
Raining.
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 It's raining.
It's raining.
Snowing.
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 It's snowing.
It's snowing.
Stormy.
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 It's stormy.
It's stormy.
Sunny.
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 It's sunny.
It's sunny.
Windy.
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 It's windy.
It's windy.
How's the weather?
How's the weather?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's foggy.
It's foggy.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's snowing.
It's snowing.
It's stormy.
It's stormy.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
It's windy.
It's windy.
Review.
Review.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Cold.
Cold.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Hot.
Hot.
Raining.
Raining.
Snowing.
Snowing.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Windy.
Windy. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now let's see if you got the video, the lesson there, okay? Number one, how do you read this one? Cloudy, it's cloudy. Number two, cold, it's cold. Foggy, it's foggy. Hot, it's hot. Raining, it's raining. Snowing, it's snowing. Stormy, it's stormy. Sunny, it's sunny. Wow, very good. That's great. Now, number 9, windy, it's windy. Okay, so let's ask this question. How's the weather? Okay, number 1, how's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's cold. How's the weather? It's foggy. How's the weather? It's hot. How's the weather? It's raining. How's the weather? It's snowing. How's the weather? It's stormy. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's windy. Very good. Great. Okay, now let's see this one. Look at the picture, okay? And then you answer it. How's the weather? It's very good. Cloudy. It's cloudy. Number 2. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's stormy. That's right. How's the weather? It's raining. How's the weather? It's hot. How's the weather? It's foggy. How's the weather? It's snowing. How's the weather? It's windy. Now, for you to have this worksheet this week, you are going to answer this, okay? Number 1, how's the weather? It is sunny or rainy. You're going to look at the picture and then choose your answer. You can you can cross out your answer or circle your answer. It's up to you, okay? Number 2, how is the weather? It is nice or wet? Look at this one, okay? Number 3, how is the weather? How's the weather? It is hot or warm? Look at the picture. How's the weather? It is cold or hot? It is cold or hot, okay? Look at the picture here. Number 5, how's the weather? It is wet or sunny? Look at the picture. How is the weather? It is cold or windy? Look at this one, okay? So the next one, look and write. You're going to write the words. It is, okay. It is, what is this? It is, look at the picture. It is, oh, it is, look at the picture again until number 6. Okay, it is, it is, okay, just write in your notebook. Okay, so I think that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson today. See you again next time. Goodbye.